Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our April 2024 challenge is to scrap lift one of our members over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below. We have 5 years of monthly albums over there, so you have a lot to choose from. I selected this one from Amy Hicks that you see right in front of you, and she posted this in the August 2021 album. And I just love this. I haven't done a grid circle layout in a long time. She did stitch on this layout. I do not have a sewing machine, so I will do faux stitching. And she did some distressing with her paper, and I will do that as well. And she has a single photograph. But let's go over what I have. So in this kit, I pulled in 2 types of gems. We have this one from Close to My Heart, and I think it's called Bluebell Gems. Then I have these silver ones from Hobby Lobby. Then in this little envelope, we have the photograph, and it looks like I pre-picked a title. I think this is going to work really well with the layout that I'm scrap lifting that Amy Hicks put together. So I have a single photograph. And this is, of course, our little guy, and it's the sunset. So I have the word sunset that was already in this kit. This was already put together. I have some word phrases, which Amy has word phrases on her layout. She actually has 3. I only see 2, so I might have to go find me a third one. If I can find one in blue. Then I have, let's see if you can see this. Here, these die cut pieces, they're of stars, plus signs, and little asterisk signs. But you can see these well because they're got negative space in them. I have a blue washi tape. I have some enamel hearts and stars, butterfly, fishtail banner, gold hearts, a blue heart. These are puffy ones. I have this arrow. So all of this, we're going to set here to the left, even though I'm right-handed. Put my gems over here too as well. For paper that was in this kit, we have here, let me straighten this out, a 4x6 card. And of course I can punch this out or die cut it out, which is what I'm going to do. This side's blue, that side's green. We have this strip of paper, this word phrase, this vellum piece, this polka dot from Craft and Create, and this I think is a Cartabella paper. Oh, and look at, I even have flower on this side. And then I have this mixed in paper, July through August from Close to My Heart 2023. So that's blue there. And then I also have this side to cut out circles. Let's set this aside. So that's my paper. And then my foundation layer is going to be a white cardstock. It's called Daisy White Cardstock from Close to My Heart. Now, what wasn't in this kit is my die. So I have 2 different circle dies here. I think the one on the left is from Close to My Heart, and then this is just what I've had in my stash. So I will use one of those sizes. And I have my little mini plates and my little sizzig. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and die cut my circles out, and I will be right back, and probably mat my photograph. Okay, I'm back, and off camera I decided to go ahead and place my lines where my circles will sit. So I placed the first line here at the top at 4.5 inches down from the top. Then I went 7 inches, and then I went 9.5. Okay, you could, if you're not worried about being perfectly straight, is just draw your first line and then you can line up your other circles underneath, which is what I would probably do 75% of the time. However, a little twist for my layout that's going to be a little bit different than Amy. I keep saying that. Amy Hicks is I want to use my Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in Night and add some splatters. And we'll probably only see 10% of my splatters, but again, I just want to add a little bit visual interest. And also off camera, you know, I already told you that I was going to cut these circles, and I did measure this circle, and it's a 3-inch circle. And then I used my little distress tool, very, very old distress tool from Creative Memories, and I distressed all the edges of my circle. Now I'm going to use my ATG tape adhesive gun, or it's a Scotch, and I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the back. I am back, and you can see I secured my circles down. I've secured my photograph, and I did add additional splatters from Dana Wakley over here in this corner and a little bit more over here. I felt like it was not enough, and I did that off camera so that these would be dried. So I can now, touch my layout and add my embellishments. Now, in Amy's layout, she has a life card or a tab of some sort right up here in the left-hand corner. And this was the bottom strip, remember, of that, what was it? What did I tell you? It was 4x6 card. And so I'm going to use this right here, but we're going to tear it, and I'm just going to rip it. We're just going to rip it just to add some visual interest. I'm going to rip the top part here. And we're going to place that right there like that. Yep, perfect. And let me get my adhesive gun, tape runner, I should say. And we're going to tuck that right underneath there, just like that. That's perfect. And I know we have some butterflies, but I think this is the only butterfly I have. So I'm not sure. I may place it, maybe we'll place it over here, since I only have one butterfly. We'll see. That's kind of my thought. We'll place the butterfly there. Let's get these word phrases. And now that kind of blends to the background. So you know what? With all these word phrases, I'm going to lightly ink the edge with some black ink that's already on this sponge dauber. Put that maybe like that. Yeah. And then I'll secure these down. We have a heart. Can fit right there, and one right there like that. Oh, it's coming together. Yay, yay, yay. And put the butterfly here. I'll get some foam adhesive. I like that. And we can add gem or two. Can add one right there. I'm back, and I have secured all my embellishments down and added an extra gem here, a little tiny washi tape, and this little sticker fishtail banner, and placed it under there just to get it used up because it was a single item all by itself. And now I am going to use my Creative Memories fine tip in, I forgot what color they called this, but it's probably like a navy blue, and I'm going to do my outline. squiggly lines. Now see, I could even add a third line. We're gonna try this little stitching. That's not bad. I'm kind of proud of myself there. And we'll do a little bit up here. Oh yeah, I did it. See, you just gotta try. And I think I'll put some here, and maybe I'll do another one right there. I think that's what it's gonna look like. So it gives you an idea for my journaling, and it fills in that space, and it also gives us that visual triangle, or you can say a C. So we're going from here around and then where my journaling is. And I can always add a little bit of splatters or some more little blue gems because I have some left over. All right, now my layout is complete. I appreciate you all for stopping by and watching my channel along with Becky and Kathy's. And if you are a member of our Facebook group, I thank you for being a member. If you're not, come on over, be a member. It's for free. It doesn't cost you anything, just like giving us a thumbs up and watching our videos. It just helps bring traffic to our channel so that we're inspiring people that you and I don't know that's looking for inspiration. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.